In this guide, I'll show you how to find a village in Minecraft. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings in your world, and then you want to ensure you're on world and game. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down until you find world options. So you want to toggle on show coordinates, and then you want to scroll down further on this page, and you want to activate cheats. Now, once you've done that, you can go back to your game and you want to open up the chat and commands. And from here in the chat box at the bottom, you want to type in slash locate, structure, village, and then type in true. So type that in and press enter. And if you have a look in the top left corner, it'll show you the exact position where the nearest village is. So at this point, it's simply just a matter of going to those coordinates using the position in the top left corner. And if you go to those coordinates, you should be able to easily find the village in Minecraft. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.